You know, folks, just another video here on the HR2510 that I got yesterday. Done a video, well, earlier I posted a video about it, and I had to demodify this one. It was modified, like most 2510s out there are. So I got her changed back now to 10 meters, which it should be. And I just wanted to do a little update video on this one. I'm going to re-edit the other one, but anyway, do a little update. So what I've done with this radio, since I demodified it, I said, well, while I'm in here, I may as well fix up the power and the speaker leads and stuff, because that was a mess as well. So what I ended up doing, I mounted a 3-pin power plug right here. You see on a lot of different CB radios. Use this one, pretty common plug. So I mounted that one in the radio. Before it just had a piece of wire hanging at the back of it. But this time I decided to remove that and put a 3-pin plug here. So I, secured everything down the best I could. Got the wire wrapped around here and it's wrapped around there, and the negative goes back to here and the positive goes back to there. These two wires ain't doing anything. They're disconnected, so instead of just, flopping in the breeze, decided, because it goes back to the plug here that's not being used, I just took them and grounded them off there, so at least they're not flopping around. And another little modification I just did with it, if anybody, well, I know a lot of people owns the Uniden HR2510 President, every time you open up the cover and want to do something with these things, you always have to desolder the wires from the plugs, or from the speaker, in order to do anything. So what I did, I made up this little 2-pin plug, a power plug off an old circuit board, and I mounted on a little tiny piece of circuit board. And on the back end of the radio has these little standoffs, screw holes in them. So I said, why not put them to work? So I got the circuit board, drilled a little hole in the board up here, and screwed it down there. And there's lots of space there. So I've mounted a little plug there. So now all I got to do now is take my speaker, and it's right here, and plug it in. Plug it into that plug and unplug it if I want to do anything with the radio. A lot better than having to constantly desolder wires off your speaker. So I did that. The other thing I'm planning on doing is put an external speaker jack in the back of the radio here. There's a little bit of space back here. I'm thinking maybe right here, somewhere around there, maybe I might put it. I'm thinking. I can't really put it up here. There's not really enough space as such. There's hardly any room here other than down below. But that's just something I was thinking about doing. What do you think? Should I put a speaker jack in this thing or what? I could put 2 jacks, one for Morse code key and CW. That would be pretty cool too, eh? But yeah. What do you think? Anyway, folks, this Uniden President HR2510. A little update video for you. Hey, folks, 73.